kids! Welcome back to our channel IQ Time to Play. For today's video, we will be having a playtime. We have here a green pop-up toy with animals and eggs. It also comes with a hammer. Come, let's take a closer look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs. There is also a picture of different animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 animals altogether. We also have here 5 different knobs with different colors. Here is a red knob that we can push upward. Here is a sky blue knob that we can press or flip on either left side or right side. This is an orange knob that we can rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Look, a star. Here is a yellow knob that we can just simply press. Here is a purple knob that we can slide either to the left or to the right. That is so amazing! We have such a very colorful knobs, right? Now, I'm getting more and more excited to see what is hiding inside these eggs. Let's open them one by one. The knobs will help us reveal what's inside. Let's push the red knob upwards. Peekaboo! A purple hippo. Now let's press or flip the sky blue knob on the right side. It's a yellow raccoon. Then let's rotate our orange knob clockwise. Ta-da! A red lion. Now let's press the yellow knob with a star. A sky blue elephant inside. Now let's open the egg number 5. Let's slide the knob to the right. Oh, an orange fox. What a cute animals we have! Now that we have met all our animals and we have said hi to all of them, it is now time for them to go back inside the eggs. And guess what? I think they need a little help from us. The hammer! Yes, you're right. We can use the hammer. Bye, hippo. Bye, raccoon. Bye, lion. Bye, elephant. Bye, fox. It's so nice seeing all of you today. Okay, I think we need to do it one more time. Let's try opening all of them again. I hope kids you enjoyed guessing and meeting our animals today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on our next video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!